We are MR Elegant Builders. Today, we're here at Antipolo, Bali, our newest design and build project. I'm with
Engineer Ara
and
Architect Con.
this lot is 392 square at the top of a hill and a corner lot. Our proposed residential project is 3-story with a roof deck and it has a 360-degree view consisting with 350 square meter floor area, 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, master's walk-in closets, maid's quarters with bathroom, powder room, office, and 4-car garage with an elegant finish.
So ano ang first step?
After down payment,
Magpapalat survey tayo and our geodetic engineer is on his way. So ano ang pinaka-importanting papeles na kakailanganin natin dito? We need a certified true copy that reflects the original title and its descriptions.
at itong lot plan. So nandito na ang ating geodetic engineer. So mapapansin nyo doon yung lupa natin. Pero nagsusukat pa rin sila doon for reference and accuracy. Jojo Santos. So engineer, tanong namin, bakit po kayo nag-start magsukat doon?
For verification ng mga adjoining lots kasi dapat mag-start tayo sa mga neighbor natin, ma-check natin yung ating property tumatama sa title, sa ground. Then, i-verify natin kung based on the title, ililayout natin sa actual. Kaya dapat, pati mga neighbor natin, mga adjacent na to be verified the property line.
So that explains why, mga ka-elegant.
Dito na nakalagay yung muhon natin.
Meron tayong 11.6 meter frontage.
Dito naman, meron tayong 21.4 meter palikod.
Sa kabilang side, 27 meters palikod.
At lastly, meron tayong 16.7 meters sa likod.
We, at MR Elegant Builders,
We specialize in build and sell project, but we can also do design and build.
If you want to build your dream home with us, just PM us.
we care at MR Elegant Builders.